Okay, this you can't write, okay? You can't do this. बहन डर गई, बहन डर गई. जब हमको कहा गया था ये पहन के आना है, तो सलमान बहुत खुश था, मैं नहीं इतना खुश था. So I hit him with my hip, then he hit me with his chest and. This also you can't write. ऐसे चलते चलते बोले हाय रूपा नालिया.
Okay, meme number 1.
Behind the scene, this is shot in Mauritius, and Farah Khan was the choreographer. And जब हमको कहा गया था ये पहन के आना है, तो सलमान बहुत खुश था, मैं नहीं इतना खुश था. So, लेकिन मज़ा था दोनों में. हमारे मस्ती बहुत चलती थी. And on the contrary, आज ही I'm going to meet him just now after your program. I have to go there because I have to go and attend Big Boss.
Okay.
So I'm just going to meet him.
कुछ funny incident.
So this choreography, I think हम इसे ये हम दोनों ने खुद ही बैठ के ऐसे ही कर ली थी. So I hit him with my hip, then he hit me with his chest and this and that. So it was fun. So this film ऐसा था कि सुबह 7 बजे मैं आ जाता था शूटिंग करने. And I used to shoot by 11 o'clock. Salman used to come and Salman used to shoot with me. No, सुबह हाँ. तो सुबह मैं आ जाता 7 बजे, वो 11 बजे आ जाता. Then we both used to shoot together, combined shoot. दो combined scenes होते थे. पहले मैं अपना सोलो करता था, फिर उसके बाद 3 बजे मैं चला जाता था. But then he used to continue in the evening. He used to shoot his solo scenes till 10 o'clock. So we shot from morning 7 to 10. And David Dhawan was the director. So that is why this film took 32 days and we finished the film very fast. And it was a very, very good film. Yeah.
Yeah, one of the biggest hits when it released. Next one.
So कोई बता सकता है ये कहाँ शूट हुआ था, ये वाला शॉट? हाँ, यूएसए में कहाँ? एलए में, बराबर. LA में. आप लोग कहाँ से हो? हरी शर्ट पहन के आए? Yeah. अच्छा, you guys are from there. Okay. Nice meeting you all. All right. So this is from LA, and it was one of the houses we were shooting there, and supposed to be मेरे दिमाग में वो गाना चल रहा है, ओम मंगलम मंगलम. एंड मुझे नहीं पता कि मेरे पेट के अंदर वो घड़ी है. एंड लेकिन मुझे लगता है वो कहीं बाहर से आ रहा है आवाज. सो आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. मैं क्या बताऊं
इसके बारे में बिहाइंड द सीन
मतलब क्या सीन ही चल रहा था. मुझे साबुन लगा देते थे वो लोग, साबुन इतना सारा ले आते थे और साबुन लगा के बोले शावर में जाना है. And then I had to come out and just scream at people. And जितने भी वहाँ foreigners work करते, they thought I was mad or something. What am I doing? They were passing people down. They were looking at me. Why am I screaming? The things were very weird.
Yeah.
And that's it.
That's what we wanted to.
Yeah, that's all you wanted to.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. This is what. So let's ask them, one of them, what they think of this meme. पूछ ले किसी को भी. देखा, it is so hard to say what to think about the meme. It is very hard. Okay, next meme.
Next.
Okay, this you can't write, okay? You can't do this. बहन डर गई.
इसके बारे में बहुत लोग, I think.
Actually, this a friend of mine did it. एक शादी में he tried to catch hold of a girl and tried to flirt with her. So she shouted और ये चिल्लाया भाभी डर गई. So this was the scene what had happened. So this changed into बहन डर गई.
Your expressions actually is what makes.
Yeah. Okay.
Next one.
So this miracle, it was not written. It just came out. I was actually supposed to react क्योंकि वो मर गया था and suddenly हमें नहीं पता वो कहाँ था, वो मरा हुआ, उसकी लाश कहाँ थी, और वो उठ गया and suddenly कैमरा लगा हुआ था and I started saying miracle, miracle, पता नहीं क्या हो गया. So, so a lot of the meme when you say, this is not written. It just comes out. It comes out naturally, and it's like that. So this was not written at all. Yeah.
Johnny Lever sir recently in an interview said that even when he was shooting with you right now for Houseful, there was some scene which was not written. You came, you improvised, and
So
it turned out to be.
lot of things. See, comedy is one thing which you cannot write it like that. Situational comedy, like Khel Khel mein, you can write that because that is situational
A
going.
very underrated film of yours.
Yeah, that is a beautiful film.
Yeah.
I will always say that. And so, but these kind of comedies, what happens in Houseful or Golmaal or Bhagam Bhag, so these things come out.
Yeah.
They so that's it.
Have you ever done a horror film? नहीं वो तो कॉमेडी भी था.
Comedy with horror, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Proper horror you have not.
Proper horror nahi. Proper horror. Actually, proper horror was one of a cult film called Jani Dushman. It's a cult film. आप लोगों को पता, चलो मैं आपको बताता हूँ एक बात. जानी दुश्मन में अगर आप लोगों को याद होगा कि कितनों ने देखी है जानी दुश्मन, ठीक है, और जिन्होंने नहीं देखी प्लीज देखिए जाके सैटेलाइट पे. सो इन दैट फिल्म Arman Kohli kills me. Okay, he is playing the snake and he kills me, and then I die. Okay, fantastic. Then I was on per day. मुझे per day मिलता था. And then I wanted to buy a flat. I needed money. So I just ऐसे ही मैं डायरेक्टर के पास गया था, राजकुमार कोहली जी के पास, and I told him, सर मेरा काम खत्म हो गया. कहना हाँ, लेकिन आप टेंशन में लग रहे हो. I came to know that one of the actor की डेट नहीं मिल रही है. तो I said, पाजी मैं आ जाऊं वापस, और तू ते मर गए हैं, ठीक है. And after 5 minutes he thought, he says, अक्षय बात सुन, तेरे को मैं कोमा में कर देता हूं, तू वापस आ जा. And you will see the film, then they find that I'm in coma, I'm not dead. And then again I get up, again I fight with him. So for 5 days again I fought. So I got paid for 5 days.
5 days more.
So that is how Jani Dushman, I have such a big role.
Such interesting stories from the good old days.
That is how it is. There are a lot of the films which I have made like that and things like that has worked such big ways. You never know what works. So it's all about timing.
Next.
So इसमें क्या बोलूं?
सर ये फिल्म,
औरत का चक्कर है बाबू भैया, औरत का चक्कर.
सर आई थिंक दिस इज द फेवरेट फिल्म ऑफ एवरी इंडियन हु वॉचेस मूवीज. एंड आई थिंक यहाँ पे से कितने लोग हेरा फेरी 3 का वेट कर रहे हैं. Everyone is waiting for.
Yeah, I'm also waiting when to start.
So when?
I don't know. Let's see. I mean, it should, if everything goes well, it should start this year, end of this year.
Wow. Fingers crossed. But sir, what about this film, this character? When
You
you
know, when we did this film, we didn't know that it's going to become such a cult film. I didn't know. Even when I saw the film, I didn't understand. Okay, I liked the film. It was funny, but ऐसा कल्ट हो जाएगा कभी नहीं सोचा था. The characters will become like this kind of a Babu Bhaiya, Ram, sorry, Sham, and Raju. So it was. It's and these glasses made so much of a difference. And this guy Paresh Rawal is a very funny man in real life also. He's a very very dear. I was shooting with him just now. Bhoot Bangla में shooting कर रहा था. So he was with me in Jaipur. So I have lots of fun with him. And here also, like I don't know what to say. कुछ चीजें बोल नहीं सकते.
I think part 2 after the release, especially in the last 6 years, has become very popular because of those dialogues and the mannerisms, the iconic Raju pose. वो सब कुछ post pandemic और ज़्यादा popular हुआ है.
But I don't know what happened. I don't know how it happened. Next. ये क्या? Like this also you can't write. ऐसे चलते चलते बोले हाय रूपा नालिया. You can't. You just. It was not written there. It is just because उसको प्रियदर्शन जी ने बाल्टी दे दी थी, वो बाल्टी उसका नालिया आ रही. तो I just felt like हाय रूपा नालिया तूने.
तभी बाकी लोग कैसे हंसी कंट्रोल करते हैं सीन्स में.
Even Priyadarshan didn't know what. So it is.
हो गया.
But yeah, it just happened. Like आज हम बैठे हुए हैं आपस में बात कर रहे हैं, किसी को मैं कुछ बोल दूंगा, कोई मुझे कुछ बोलेगा. So it just comes naturally, and what comes naturally will always go much better and much deeper.
Yeah. Next one.
इस पे कुछ लिखा नहीं है.
This is a very popular meme. So basically people use this to tease each other.
Okay.
हाँ, we'll take 2 more. This is one character जिसका spin off होना चाहिए. This is one of your सबसे टेढ़ा कमीना character.
Yeah.
This and Max from Garam Masala. ये आपने ये भी impromptu था कि लिखा हुआ था?
नहीं ये impromptu था.
ये भी
These are all impromptu. जली ना ये सब impromptu आते हैं.
Okay, next one.
So this also is नहीं तू समझा नहीं, मैं तेरे को समझाता हूँ. आदमी समझ जाता है लेकिन उसको लगता है कि नहीं समझा. So that is the kind of thing. A very good actor, Vijay Saab is very good actor. His comic timing is excellent, excellent, and a very मतलब I don't know how to say it, but नीचे से मारता है. Dialogue है ना नीचे से निकलता है, and very smartly he puts it. And he doesn't have a smile at all on his face. He's very serious about it. I really like working with him.
Yeah. His one of the scenes of that kawa biryani is
Very.
Okay, one last. Next लेते.
सारे पूरा everybody stands and we'll do this pose, okay? Okay.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.